with dryer-activated cloths, absorbent pads, and this bottle of stain remover. There's also this big plastic dryer bag.
In here.
First, we tackle a magic marker stain on this sweater.
All right, now we take this absorbent cloth, put it under the stain.
The directions tell us to dab the stain with a remover. The absorbent pad soaks the stain away from the garment.
And there's the stain on the cloth.
Next, we put the dryer-activated cloth into the dryer bag.
I'm going to put this in here, along with a purple dress that needs freshening and a black jacket that needs cleaning.
After sealing the bag, it's off to the laundry room. Following the directions, we set the dryer for 30 minutes at medium heat.
Pop it in the dryer.
What should we expect to find when our Dryell test is complete? We visited the Dry Cleaning Institute at Mary Grove College. Sister Ann Gabriel Kilsdon monitors modern-day dry cleaning techniques. She says Dryell is not going to be the answer to all your dry cleaning needs.
It does not replace dry cleaning, it supplements dry cleaning.
Sister Ann advises there are two downfalls to Dryell. Number one, Dryell does not give you that crisp, just pressed look.
And then they really tell you should hang it up right away so the wrinkles fall out.
Downfall number two, you can't clean everything.
They don't recommend large, bulky items.
But Sister Ann says Dryell does work well for some kinds of dry cleaning.
Things that don't need pressing, like a sweater or something, this would be a wonderful thing to do, to freshen it up between dry cleaning.
Back in the laundry room, it's the moment of truth. First, the sweater we treated with the Dryell stain remover.
Actually, I see a little bit of a stain, just a little bit. They smell very nice.
This silk dress is wrinkly, but the wool blazer isn't.
It looks pretty good. Let's hang them on hangers. Well, from my vantage point, Dryell seemed to work the very best on that black blazer. And by the way, these Dryell bags are reusable, and they hold up to 4 garments at a time. Dryell promises not to shrink your clothes, and you can buy this kit at most supermarkets for about $10. Also, many thanks to WDIV handyman Dale Cranston and his wife for allowing us to test Dryell at their house. I'm Ruth Spencer, News 4.
All right.